Mimi organizes your Google Photos albums into your Google Calendar. Your Mimiized calendar becomes your app of choice for finding and browsing albums. It's far superior to your Google Photos app. Calendar Search makes it easy to find any events in your life you care about. For example, search on keyword vacation. Click on a search result, for example, Paris vacation. Calendar takes you to that calendar page, where all the albums for that vacation are organized together so you can browse them as you like. Note, this is fundamentally different than the old idea of the album. Instead of one or two albums for the vacation, there are many. You create them as you go, while your memory is fresh and emotions strong. So they tell focused, vivid stories. This idea is so powerful, Mimi changes the very nature of albums. Mimi is a game changer. She brings albums into the digital age. See for yourself. Give Mimi a try. Click the Show More button just below this video to install Mimi or learn more.